Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video in a series of Python coding tutorials for beginners. If you're just joining us now, I'd recommend going and checking out the previous video where we show you how to get set up with Python using nothing but your web browser. So in this video, we're going to be looking at variables. Well, what is a variable? A variable can be thought of as a space that we set aside in a computer's memory to store things such as numbers, words, true or false values, many other types of data. We give variables names so that they can be referred to throughout our program. They could be things such as my age, my name, etc. We can also change the values that exist in variables by assigning values to them. So in this video, we're going to start off with our first variable by saying my name. We then use an equals sign, and you'll get the hang of this. This is to assign values to the variable. So whatever is on the right side of the equal sign gets assigned to the variable. So if we put my name, we can then make another variable. We can say my age. We put the equal sign, and on the other side we can say 64, for example. Now 64 is stored in this my age variable, and so is name stored in this my name variable. So if we come down the line and we say print my age, if we hit run, we'll see that the number 64 is printed. If we say print my name, we can see that the word name is printed. So we can update these variables as we go through our program. So if I come down a couple of lines and say my name, and assign a new value to this by using the equal sign, and say, for example, your name. If I tell the compiler to print that again, you'll see that your name is now being printed after it's printed my name, because a new value has been assigned to it. Now with string variables, we can concatenate or add them together in order to output them. So if we come here and we just say your name equals your name, if we remove these quickly and we say my name, use the plus sign and say your name, what we can expect to see is my name, your name when we hit run. So we say name, your name. I'm going to change these to my name and your name just so they're a little bit clearer as we go through. But there we go, my name, your name. The same isn't true for numbers. So if I say your age equals 33. Now if I was to say my age plus my name, we're going to be attempting to take a number and a string or a word and either concatenating or adding them. So Python's not really going to know what to do with that, and what we're going to do is get an error if we do that. So if we're ever trying to output two different types, we need to use a comma, and when we hit run, we'll see that my age is outputted and my name is outputted without needing to worry about any errors with Python trying to do something that you're not intending for it to do. And that's it. That's a simple introduction to variables. So in this video, you've learned about string variables, you've learned about number variables, you've learned how to output these, how to concatenate them, how to add them, and how to output mixed types. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to the channel, give the video a like, drop a comment and let me know what you thought. Also consider sharing this with a friend who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.